Did you know that dolphins are one of the smartest animals on our planet? They're highly adorable, super friendly, and super clever, but they're also vicious hunters. These intelligent sea creatures usually hunt in groups and can take down pretty much any prey they want. Dolphins are famous for working together in pods to corral fish before separating them and eating them one by one. But they have many other techniques up their nautical sleeves. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we dive into this list of 8 tricks used by killer whales when hunting. Number 1. Teamwork makes the dream work. Cetaceans are known to be among the smartest ocean predators, and their brains are actually second only to humans. And if you've ever seen a group of these beautiful mammals hunting together, you will definitely understand where that high level of intelligence comes from. Dolphins use teamwork to herd fish into tight groups. This makes it easier for them to separate a few fish from the rest and devour them. Each dolphin has a special role in this coordinated dance, and everyone must follow the unspoken rules in order to avoid unnecessary fights over food. There is even footage of killer whales using other sea creatures such as seals to assist them in hunting. The pod surrounds the seal, and then one of them swims right underneath the ice shelf to pop out and surprise a school of fish hiding there. 2. Echolocation. Dolphins use echolocation, which is basically a biological sonar, to find and track prey. In deep waters where light doesn't reach, echolocation is vital, using their snouts. Dolphins send out sound waves at 100 to 150 kilohertz and listen for what comes back. With this information, they can tell how far away an object is and in what direction. Plus, echolocation isn't just useful for finding prey, but it also helps them identify obstacles while they're moving at top speed through the water. What's amazing is that dolphins have excellent hearing and can hear even the tiniest clicks made by their prey. For example, they can hear the popping of shrimp as they snap their shells while scavenging for food. If you've ever watched the BBC documentary Blue Planet 2, you may have seen a clip of a mother and her calf hunting anchovies. As the baby dolphin gets ready to make its first attempt at catching fish, it listens closely to the snapping sounds produced by the shoal of fish. When it hears a noise directly below, it dives straight down to grab a fish. 3. Group Vs. Solo hunting. Schools of fish are often targeted by entire pods of dolphins, who will isolate a few of the fish from the main group to eat. However, when it comes to hunting more solitary prey, such as squids or octopuses, dolphins prefer to go solo. It's possible that hunting in groups requires a lot of coordination and communication, and going after solitary prey simply doesn't need it. Dolphins are opportunistic hunters and are known to steal each other's prey. So it's not uncommon for a lone dolphin to snatch a fish from another dolphin's mouth. In general, dolphins do and seem to mind sharing their food, and are often seen happily swimming around with fish dangling from their mouths. 4. Bubble net. Some species of dolphins living in coastal waters have developed a unique trick for herding fish. They swim in circles to create a wall of bubbles that traps fish inside. Once the bubbles form a solid ball, the dolphins break through it, releasing the trapped fish into the open water, where they're easy targets for the hungry dolphins. While this method works well, it takes a lot of energy, and the dolphins must be very well coordinated in order to break through the wall of bubbles without wasting precious oxygen. Bubble nets are mostly used when there's a strong current because they allow dolphins to stay in one place while still capturing fish that would normally be swept away by the current. 5. Stunning their prey. Dolphins can stun their prey by slapping the surface of the water with their powerful tails. This sudden splash startles and injures fish, making them easier to catch. This technique is mostly used by bottlenose dolphins, who are found in oceans and seas around the world. While stunning fish with tail slaps may seem like a random behavior, it's actually a well-thought-out hunting strategy. The force generated by the impact of the tail against the water is enough to stun small fish, causing them to lose consciousness for a few seconds. During this time, the dolphins quickly approach their stunned prey and grab them before they can recover. 6. Twisting and turning. Dolphins are incredibly agile in the water and can easily turn and twist to avoid obstacles while chasing prey. They can swim at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and accelerate quickly to catch their prey. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails help them move swiftly and effortlessly through the water. This agility allows them to chase down slippery prey, such as fish and squid, and keep up with fast-moving animals. It also helps them navigate through dense vegetation and cluttered reefs without getting caught or injured. 7. A well-balanced diet. Dolphins eat a variety of fish and other marine animals, including herring, mackerel, salmon, cod, squid, and octopus. They generally prefer to eat smaller fish and will often target schools of bait fish. Dolphins can consume up to 10% of their body weight in a single day. Newborn calves require more food and will typically nurse for up to 2 years before weaning. While female dolphins reach sexual maturity at around 5 to 10 years old, males mature later between 10 to 15 years old. Male dolphins compete for dominance within a pod, and the top male will have priority in mating. Although dolphins are social animals, they are also fiercely territorial and will defend their hunting grounds against intruders. Nature's acrobat. Dolphins are well known for their grace and agility in the water. When hunting, they use their intelligence, speed, and strength to capture prey. They are able to jump completely out of the water when pursuing their prey near the surface, allowing them to cover large distances in a single leap. This impressive feat of acrobatics showcases their power and skill as hunters. Their ability to launch themselves into the air and twist and turn mid-flight is a testament to their flexibility and strength. When it comes to capturing their prey, dolphins use a combination of speed, agility, and precision. They can swim at a pace of about 40 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest marine animals. This allows them to chase down and capture swift prey such as fish and squid. Dolphins also possess incredible maneuverability, enabling them to navigate through narrow spaces and tight turns with ease. This agility helps them to outmaneuver their prey and prevents them from escaping. Moreover, dolphins have excellent hand-eye coordination, which allows them to snatch their prey with great precision. Their upper jaw has a bony knob that acts as a hammer, stunning their prey and making them easier to capture. Overall, dolphins' combination of speed, agility, coordination, and hunting techniques make them formidable predators. What do you think of these tricks? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.